This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the track into Kinemaster's media panel and dropping it on the audio layer. This gives you a dedicated clip to trim and duck. Once added, trim the ends and mark the in/out points so you avoid long silent sections. Make sure your project sample rate matches the file to prevent pitch shifts, and choose a stereo or mono option based on the source. These steps speed editing and keep audio quality intact before you move to mixing. Now you sync the music to your cuts and voiceovers by splitting the audio clip at cut points and adding short fades where necessary to avoid pops. You should use volume keyframes to duck music under dialogue. This keeps speech intelligible. If the bass muddies speech, add a high-pass filter or subtle EQ. If levels jump, use a gentle compressor. Once done, listen through headphones and speakers to confirm balance so every element sits where it should in the mix. Finish by exporting a short test at your final settings and checking loudness and clipping. This verifies that your music sits well in the final file. If you hear distortion, lower the master gain or insert a limiter to tame peaks and re-export. Make sure the exported audio stays in sync with visuals by re-importing that file into Kinemaster. If drift appears, match frame rate and timeline settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: if audio stutters, clear cache and restart the app before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.